Now we will solve question number 20. So read everyone question number 20. See, question number 20 is the ages of Sonal and Manoj are in ratio 7:5. 10 years hence. 10 years hence means after 10 years. The ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. The ages of Sonal and Manoj are in ratio 7:5. So let ages of Sonal and Manoj are 7x years and 5x years. Okay. Years की spelling YEARS होती है, but I have written this in short form. Okay. After 10 years hence. After 10 years, their ages will be after 10 years. What will be the age of Sonal? That is 7x plus 10, and Manoj 5x plus 10 years. Okay. After 10 years. Today present my age is 30 years, then after 10 years I will be 40 years old. Why? 30 plus 10. So at present the age of Sonal is 7x years, so after 10 years her age will be 7x plus 10, and age of Manoj is present age is 5x years, so after 10 years his age will be 5x plus 10. According to the question, the ratio between their ages after 10 years means 7x plus 10, that is the age of Sonal after 10 years, is to 5x plus 10, that is age of Manoj after 10 years, that will be in the ratio 9:7. So we have to find out the present ages of Sonal and Manoj. Means we have to find out 7x and 5x. So solve this equation. See, this can be written as, that is 7x plus 10 upon 5x plus 10, that is equal to 9 upon 7. Okay. Now doing the cross multiplication, what we have that is 7 into 7x plus 10 equal to 9 into 5x plus 10. So 7 7 ja 40, 9x plus 7 10 ja 70 equal to 9 5 ja 45x plus 9 into 10, that is 90. Okay. So we have that is 49x. Transfer this 45x to left side. What we have? Minus 45x equal to, that is 90, and transfer this plus 70 to right side, minus 70, that is equal to 49 minus 45, that is 4x, and 90 minus 70, that is 20. So from here x is equal to 20 upon 4, 1 ja 4, 5 ja 20, means x is equal to 5. But we have to find out 7x and 5x, because Sonal's present age of Sonal, that is 7x, 7 into 5, that is 35 years. Okay. And Manoj, that is 5x, that is 5 into 5, that is 25 years. Okay, so that is our answer. That will be our answer. Sonal's present age is 35 years and Manu's present age is 25 years. Okay, so that is the solution of this question. Question number 20. I advise you pause the videos and note down the whatever I have written here. Now question number 22nd. Question number 22nd. Read everyone question number 22nd. Question number 22nd. After 12 years, Manoj will be 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. After 12 years, Manoj will be 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. Find his present age. Okay, very easy question. Let present age of Manoj is X years. Okay, so after 12 years Manoj's age will be what? X plus 12 years. And before 4 years his age was X minus 4 years. Okay, see, present age of Manoj is X years. Then after 12 years, his age will be, we will add 12 to his age, X plus 12 years. And before 4 years, his age will be X minus 4. Present age is X. Today if I am 30 years old, then before 4 years, I was 30 minus 4, that is 26 years old. Okay, so present age of Manoj is X. So after 12 years, X plus 12 years his age, and before 4 years his age was X minus 4 years. According to the question, after 12 years Manoj's age will be 3 times as old he was 4 years ago, X minus 4. Okay, read this question again. 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. Okay, now solve this, find out X. So X plus 12 is equal to 3X minus 3 4 ja 12. Now transfer this minus 12 to right side. Here plus 12, and this minus 12 transfer to right side, that will be plus 12. That is 3X, that is right side, and transfer this X to right side, that is minus X. So clearly that is 24, and that will be 3X minus X, 2X. Then from here X will be what? X is, clearly X is 24 divided by 2, that is 12. Okay, that is present age of Manoj is 12 years. Okay, present age of Manoj is 12 years. Our answer is 12 years. Okay, now question number, that is question number 22nd. Now read question number